Hello friends, welcome to the How To channel. Today we are going to get to know how to add music to story on Instagram. In this video I am going to tell you in a very simple way. If you are watching the videos of this channel for the first time, before entering the video, subscribe this channel now and press the bell icon next to it. Then you will get instant notification of useful videos like this that I upload. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video after a short intro. Friends, let's see how to add music to Instagram story. For that, open our Instagram. Okay friends, now my Instagram is open here. Then click on the plus icon above and I am going to post a story. Now the story tab is open. Here I am in my gallery. I am going to post a photo as a story. Here I have selected a photo. Okay, now it has become my story. Now let's see how to add a music to it. For that, click on the sticker icon shown above. Here you can see the option of music. If you just click on it, we will have a lot of trending songs. We can see the existing musics there. We can choose the one we like. Here I have selected a song. We have given you 6 options here. By changing it, we can place this song here as lyrics or as a sticker. The music sound has been muted in this video because of the music copyright issue. Okay friends, here I am choosing this song as a sticker. After doing all this, click on the save button. Now you can adjust the size of this sticker or the lyrics we have chosen. Also, when you click and hold it and move down, you will see a waste bin on top of it. If you release it, this song will be deleted and we can hide it outside the frame by moving it to the side. Now we can post this story by clicking the arrow below. Okay, now it's done. Now the Instagram story to which we have added music is being posted here. We can check it after waiting for a while. Our work is almost done. Now let's check the music. Sorry, the sound of the music has been muted due to the copyright issue. We can check the music by clicking on the sticker below. Hope you found this video helpful. More useful videos like this will be uploaded on this channel. If you like this video, please like it now. If you are watching videos on this channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button next to it. Then you will be notified of new videos that I upload.